Hi guys, I wanted to take an extra minute and talk to you about what types of sources are acceptable to include in your literary criticism. So I added, I know this keeps growing, I added another source for you, another resource for you on sources. Now I will say that I cannot take the credit for compiling this for you. I took this from the professor that I had at McDaniel, and this is from my class that was informational and argument writing. So this is from my professor there. So great information. So definition of sources. So there's three different types of sources. There's primary, secondary, and tertiary. But basically what that means is I had circled it while I was in the class. It's the degree to which the author of a piece is removed from the actual event. So primary is the closest one can get to the actual event, and then tertiary would be as far away as one can get, and secondary is in the middle. So if we scroll down through, so for example, if one is, you can look at some of the examples here, but we would look down at literature. So the primary source is a novel. Secondary source would be another type of literary criticism that you can find upon it. And you can see some other examples in there too. Scrolling down a little bit further, I think this is probably the most helpful because on some of the sources that students were including on the pre-writing, I noticed a lot of people including blogs and wikis and prezis, and those don't even fall under primary, secondary, nor tertiary. So the resources that you're including, I can't remember exactly how many I had asked, but they all need to be under either primary, secondary, or tertiary. So you can see some of the different examples of each that are present. Another slide that I have on here for you are, just an example that she had provided about world wars. So you can access this information so that you can read it on your own, but at least you have some idea as far as what types of sources are acceptable. So that's all. Later.